My name is Rebecca Kassay. I am a proud previous chair of committees at MMUN conferences for 10 years and now an elected member of the State Assembly in New York. I came into MMUN in an unusual way I'm not a Montessori teacher, but was so glad that our paths intersected when I worked at a nonprofit environmental center running a teen volunteer program. MMUN was working on some teen stewardship initiatives with the environment, and so we connected. I found out about MMUN and I fell in love immediately, because who wouldn't? And I trained myself up as best I could with Montessori practices as well as MMUN here at large, and started serving at the pleasure of the delegates on these committees, and it absolutely changed my life. It changed the way that I look at leadership, understanding that consensus building is by far the most important part of creating solutions that are going to stick and that are not going to crumble as soon as leadership changes. And so seeing the delegates practicing that in my own life, I realized that when I was going into government, it was so important to continue that practice and help spread it. So every day in the New York State Assembly, I'm up there holding space, trying to set an environment where my colleagues will come to the table and seek consensus with me and have those hard conversations to build the change that's going to benefit all of our constituents throughout the state of New York. So I am so grateful for the education that I got here at MMUN, for my colleagues who continue to inspire me, to Judith and all the leadership who have brought these many students from around the world to have this experience, and it really gives me faith that we will be okay because these students are already practicing peace. I congratulate Judith and everyone who has made 20 years of MMUN possible. Again, my colleagues who I've built lifelong friendships with here, they have poured so much of themselves into this, and what's come out of it is multiplied tenfold, 20-fold, a millionfold, and just look forward to the future, all the incredible things MMUN will do, and look forward to seeing all of the delegates coming back in leadership roles in MMUN and also branching out into the world and seeing them on the front page headlines of the peace education delivering for their communities. The inspiring words I heard today that really are sticking with me and I'm going to keep close to my heart is that children don't have to become anything because they already are. So you delegates, you are ready to make the change that you want to see in the world. We are just here to support that vision, that goal, that dream, and we share that dream with you. So get out there and make those changes. And remember, #OurHumanity is shared.